Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to withdraw money from Bybit to the bank account. For that, the process is very simple. Go to the Bybit application, go to the asset, and in the asset, all you have to do is to go to the withdraw option. Make sure that you have some asset in it. So once you go to the withdraw option, all you have to do is to go to the file. In the file, all you have to do is to convert your major currency. For example, that could be any cryptocurrency, and then convert it into the right currency that you want to get paid in. For example, you can convert your payment into the USDT. So once you do it, so you will be simply able to withdraw the money. So that would be easy and very convenient. The other method is P2P trading. For example, first you have to do is to go and convert your cryptocurrency into USDT, then sell that cryptocurrency to any of the people online. So they will pay you in any sort of currency that you want to get paid in, and that will be right directly transferred into your bank account. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful.